How's everyone's Saturday morning starting off? Mine's starting off pretty good. I just heard and seen my first Canada Goose of 2025. And there's my buddy. There's my heifer. There's my beauty girl. There's Lou. For everyone, this is Lou. She was our bottle baby from last year. Lou's gonna become a mama. Hi, baby girl. Let me get that junk off your head. Here, so Lou. Lou loves the loves, don't you, babe? She come across the yard when she seen me going this way. She's a good girl. Anyways. Yeah. It's a beautiful sunny morning. How you doing, girl? Yeah, she's Lulu. It's Lulu. See? There you go. All right, I gotta go check the girls. You coming? Everything's sure on the melt. I just need it to be well onto the dry up on the ground here. No mama's in there. Seems like everyone's over the other side. Let's see here. That is where my Arrow Quip is. That is where my calves from last year are. Remember I was talking about whether I should keep them out with the mamas or not while we calve? Well, I was out here doing some chores and I caught 2 calves starting to suck on the mama's teats. Yeah. This is Mouse, everyone. Good morning, Mouse. How are you, dear? We're starting to bag up around here. Not myself, of course. Haha. Some of the mamas are. And yeah, pretty soon, I think. So I went and tested. This mama ate. I went and tested my cameras I had out here, and probably my fault for leaving them through the winter. I think the batteries crapped the bed, so I had to order some more, and they're not expensive cameras, but money's money. So we ordered 3 new ones, and they have arrived. These ones are a little different. Look at the bag on that. We ordered 3 new ones. They're a little different. One of them, they're the same brand as one of the cameras I had last year, except this time they more than one mama one. Their little solar panel is fixed right to the camera itself, and yeah, so got them all charged up. Just gonna connect them to the internet today and get them hooked up. This is Louise. She is Lou's sister from Bottle Baby from last year. It was the Lou and Louise show. Let me try and get a shot of that. Lou's getting a little bit of a good bag on her here. Let's have a look. Getting there. Getting there. I don't bother. There's Irma Gerd. Ermy's bagging up pretty good. Aren't you, Merm? Aren't you, Mermy? Morning, Mama. I talk to all my cows. I don't know about you guys. We have a talk every day. Hi, Mama June. Mama June's getting a good bag on her. Nice big bag. Hello, darling. How are you? Good morning. You saying hi to everyone? She's such a good cow. Anyways. Don't see anyone actively calving, and that's the goal out here. Morning, Kay. Morning, Mooney. That's Moon on the left, Kay on the right, 11 and 21. This is Curly. Morning, Curls. Hi, my girl. How are you? Hi, Curly. How's my girl? Oh, you're good, gorgeous. You're gorgeous, Curly. Aren't you? Gorgeous. This is Gammy. Morning, Gam. That's Emily. She was a first mom last year. Morning, Emily. She's named after my niece in New Brunswick. Notice some of the girls are starting to spring pretty decent. Mama, what are you doing, Mama One? One of the cameras will go right there. This is Maggie. I'm suspecting Maggie's probably going to be one of my first. Morning, Queenie. As you can see, her tags actually say Queenie. You can see that. My girl. There's a whole, you come out here now, and there is a whole lot of huffing going on. I gotta bring you over and show you Sassy. Gotta show you her bag. Good Lord. She better not be hauling twins, because I have no need for twins. I like if they could carry them or take care of them. I would love it. But these girls don't take care of their seconds. Let me tell you, see the size of this little girl. She's like an old dairy cow. Morning Sass. How are ya? One bag on her. Look at that thing. Morning, Pinky. Sorry, that's Pinky. Morning, Pink. How are ya? How's my girl? How are you, girl? How's your day? Yeah, that's what I thought. Hey, Sass, how you going, honey? How's my girl, huh? Yeah, he old goat. Yeah, he old goat. Anyways. Looks like everyone's doing okay. So, for now, we'll call it a check done. Hey, Sass. I gotta bring a bungee cord out here today when I come out after breakfast. These girls are a pain in the butt when it comes to this stock boss. They like to knock the cover off where the float is all the freaking time. I'm like, you sons of guns. Because there's the float. It's like an old toilet bowl float. And it's supposed to lock into those two notches, but it never locks in anymore. Probably warped. So I'm going to put the lid on and you could hear that turn, eh? So then the lid goes on like that. So I'm just going to throw a bungee cord over and hook it under there on each side. There we go. The other plan for today is where this place gets so wet damp, moist. I'm gonna cover the area in straw today. Anyways, that's it for now. I checked the waters. Everyone seems to be doing her thing. And we'll get the cameras hooked up here in a little bit. Talk to y'all later. Good morning there, YouTube. All right, earlier in this video, which was from yesterday, you saw what my calving yard and my yard look like. Look at this. This is disgusting. We got a storm come in from the foothills. Sky's blue up there now. She must have blew all the way through, but here, look at this. This table was bare yesterday out here. There's what we got. That is freaking gross. Absolutely gross. Why? Everything was looking so well. Canada geese were flying over the house, coming home. And look what we got. Look at my girls over there. Their poor girls are saying, why? We're busy. This is our busy time. I know we always get spring snow, but I don't need this much. Flurries. I'm good with flurries. Seriously. Look at this mess. What do you think, Maggie? Just gross. Anyways, she won't be long now, folks. And babies will be hitting the ground. But anyways, didn't need this. Talk to you all later. I end this video here, and we'll get caught up with a new one starting probably today or tomorrow. Take care.